Everyone, before starting, I would like to thank our faculty teacher, Mr. Roshan, for giving the opportunity to present ourselves in front of everyone. So, today my topic is the power of Brochure and Gantt Chart in event management. In this presentation, we are taking an event that will explain how one event can be enhanced with the use of Brochure and Gantt Chart. So, first one is the event, the overview of the presentation. And the presentation highlights the importance of Gantt Chart and Brochure in event management. It acts as a promotional tool to attract attendees and communicate the information effectively. And talking about the Gantt Chart, it helps in project planning, resource allocation and timeline planning, organizing for the successful event. The event that I have taken is TechXchange, which is related to technology enthusiasts. TechXchange is a premier event for technology enthusiasts, innovators, and industry leaders. It offers a platform for knowledge sharing, collaboration, and exploring cutting-edge solution. Participation can express through thought-provoking discussions and valuable networking opportunities. Brochure and event management brochure is a concise and visually appealing promotion material that provides key details about an event. It aims to capture the target audience attention and generate interest.
Please go directly to your brochure. Sample of your brochure.
So this is the brochure of my event. Here we can see the name and the future topic like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cyber security, data privacy, cloud computing, and we have the date, location, and the price. And our motive is ignite, innovate, and inspire. This
is knowledge sharing event regarding the technological matters.
Knowledge sharing. And here we have a sample of Gantt Chart. We have 10 tasks.
10 elaborates or tasks.
And first, we can see here defining event objective and goals. After that, event planning committee, developing event budget, venue selection and logistics, speaker and content acquisition, marketing and promotion, sponsorship and exhibitor acquisition, event logistics and technical setup, on-site management, execution and post-match evaluation. Talking about the importance of brochure, there are various important brochure in event management. First one is information dissemination. So the brochure helps disseminate information to the different stakeholders that are related to an event. Maybe that attendees, it can be other organizers or the stakeholders that are related to an event. And the audience engagement. Second one is audience engagement. Through the visually appealing brochure, we can engage our audience and attendees for an event. Brand awareness. The better the brochure, the visually appealing the brochure, it makes us aware about our brand, how our brand is. So better the brochure, better we can tell the attendees about our event. Unique selling proposition. Browser let us define our unique selling proposition. Unique selling proposition can be anything like maybe the price or maybe what we have featured in our event. Anything can be unique selling proposition which can be we can tell through attendees to the browser. Effective communication tool. The major thing of making a brochure is communicating about our event to the attendees and other stakeholders of an event. We can communicate it through maybe social medias or templates or direct mail, sending through direct mail or various medias. Same thing is here, promotion and marketing. The same thing, that is we can promote about our event through social medias or through direct mail or simply professional image like what we create a brochure it will reflect how professional your brochure is, and that is only professional image. Here is importance of Gantt chart. There are various importance of Gantt chart in event management. First one is visual representation. So Gantt chart helps to visually represent what tasks are there for our event. It represents the timeline of an event, when and how, who will do which tasks, when, all the time tasks will be represented in visual way. Task management. So Gantt chart helps to break down whole tasks into small parts and dedicate it to different authorities. So it helps to manage tasks effectively without any consequences. Timeline planning. It will help to plan timelines for the different tasks. Like we have here, first of all, event, objective and goals. It is for 2 days.
Okay, please go in your conclusion part. You don't have conclusion. Please conclude in your own words.
Talking about the conclusion, event, for doing an event, the
Please see in the mass and please speak.
both brochure and Gantt chart is important, very important in an event, for conducting an event, because brochure helps to provide information to our attendees, and it helps to promote our brand to the stakeholders. And talking about Gantt chart helps to manage our tasks effectively.